huge platform, for the huge gathering over here. Secondly, the thing which I want to share with you is when like my father died, like rather I would say that when he was being shaheed, at that time I was 6 years old. I was in class first. My brother, I have like my younger brother, which was of 2 years old. At that time, I didn't know the meaning of like what even shaheed is. I didn't know that like I will never gonna meet my father again. I will never see him again. I didn't know about that. Like when I grew older, like when I grew up, like I used to feel the like absence of his, like my father in my life. So I kept saying myself that like why it's happened to me, like why it's only to me. But now when I'm here, like I feel proud to be the daughter of my father, who sacrificed his life for the whole nation, for the whole Pakistan. So today I want to dedicate this Milanama to my father and to all those people who sacrificed their lives for the sake of Pakistan, for the sake of us, for our safety and like for us. So here I go. मेरे वतन ये अकीदतें और प्यार तुझ पे निसार कर दूं, मोहब्बतों के ये सिलसिले बेशुमार तुझ पे निसार कर दूं। मेरे वतन मेरे वतन मेरे बस में हो तो तेरी हिफाजत करूं मैं ऐसे। मेरे वतन मेरे बस में हो तो तेरी हिफाजत करूं मैं ऐसे। फिजा से तुझको बचा के रखूं, बहार तुझ पे निसार कर दूं। मेरे वतन तेरी मोहब्बत में मौत आए तो इससे बढ़कर नहीं है ख्वाहिश। तेरी मोहब्बत में मौत आए तो इससे बढ़कर नहीं है ख्वाहिश। ये एक जान क्या हजार हो तो हजार तुझ पे निसार कर दूं। ये एक जान क्या हजार हो तो हजार तुझ पे निसार कर दूं। मेरे वतन ये अकीदतें और प्यार तुझ पे निसार कर दूं। मोहब्बतों के ये सिलसिले बेशुमार तुझ पे निसार कर दूं। मेरे वतन Thank you so much.